What's up, guys? It's Frank from the Jeep Life Podcast. So today we're doing something a little special for a good friend of mine. So you may know him. His name's Terry. And let's see if we're ready here. Hold on. You ready? You got him? Here we go. Wait, how old are you again?
13.
Get out. That's better.
Squirrel! 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 Squirrel!
He made it.
Yeah.
He made it. He made it. Okay. Is this yours?
I've never seen that before in my life.
Okay. Hey guys, so you may be wondering why we stole Terry's Jeep today. We have Terry's daughter behind me, Lexi. Say hi, Lexi.
Hi.
And she's my partner in crime, so if anybody's gonna get in trouble, it's gonna be her. Why did we steal Kylo? Well, because Terry's been wanting me to install a couple of things on the Jeep. So I have today an Apollo Intech switch unit, and what else we got, Lexi?
Rock light, LED rock lights.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these on while Terry's at work. And I don't know if he found out that his Jeep is missing yet. He will eventually find that out, but we'll get this stuff on. So you ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. So this is what we have that's going in. This is the Apollo Intech Pro. It's a 6-switch unit. Has the switches. Terry opted for the red LED version. Underneath here you can see where all the relays and the fuses are already installed. We have main wiring harness underneath there, and it comes with all the additional wiring and the switch faces. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed on the Jeep, and then we're going to get to work on the rock lights. Alright, so when we're mounting the unit, you have to mount this between the ECU and the ECU bracket. So a couple of bolts have to be loosened to move the ECU out, and you sandwich the mounting bracket between the ECU and the brackets in there. So Lexi's got the 10mm.
The ground wire needs to be relocated. We're going to reinstall it on the other side of the ECU. There. we are going to put the bracket between the ECU and the washer fluid. This is the ground wire and this is the power wire. These will be connected to the battery. Then there's this wire that will go through the firewall and into the Jeep. Wire that we pull through the firewall will get routed up here to the center here. And then the bar here has to be fitted to fit over the footman loop, and then we'll tighten this down.
Yeah, I don't see anything else in the instructions, and then it's literally just putting the switches on.
Mm-hmm. I'm guessing it only works when the lights are on.
Hello?
Hey Frank, it's Terry.
How you doing, pal?
I'm good. So I looked out the front door,
Mm-hmm.
and your Jeep is at my house, but my Jeep isn't.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Well,
I mean, yours is the white one, right?
yeah, you know
With
my
the little
Jeep.
bird?
Yeah, it's got the
Yeah,
bird
yeah.
on it, and
Yeah.
you know what? Maybe your Jeep just transformed overnight. I don't know. I don't know what.
Yeah, I don't think, my Jeep doesn't get any younger or smaller.
Oh, okay. Well, I tell you what though, it looks pretty good in my garage.
Oh, so you have it.
I could possibly have it here. I mean, hashtag Team Red. I might be.
That sounds like Kylo, yeah.
Yeah, it says Kylo on the hood. What's it say over there?
Kylo.
Yeah, it does, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Is my daughter with it? Did she take my Jeep?
Perhaps. Listen. I can neither confirm nor deny said allegations. Okay. All you need to know is that everything's safe and you don't gotta worry about it.
Well, something good better be happening. Maybe you clean it.
It's pretty clean. It's clean, right, Lexi?
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
It's pretty clean. Listen, don't worry about it. I got you.
All right.
I got you.
Yeah, people will say, don't worry about it. usually means I need to worry about it.
Nah, you know what? Just don't worry about it. I got you.
All right.
I'll talk to you later.
All right.
Okay, bye. Oh boy. I hope we're not in too much trouble.
Now that we've gotten everything back together, you turn this on to turn all the lights on, and now we're gonna install the rock lights. These are the Senpai rock lights. There are 8 of them. They will be mounted on various places throughout the Jeep. It will be connected to a control unit, and that will be attached to the Apollo intake. After mounting the rock lights and weaving the wires through the Jeep, we are going to connect them to the control unit and then power it through this.
All right, Lexi, all your hard work today. Go ahead and hit the switch. Nice, looks good.
I still don't know where my Jeep is. It's been almost all day. And I know that Frank's got it and some collateral. I think he has Lexi as well, so I don't know. Yeah, so still no Frank, still no Jeep. Oh wait, there pulls in Frank and Lexi. Let's see what they have to say for themselves. Hey, so where you been with my Jeep all day?
Huh? Huh?
Well,
You didn't know? You didn't know? You
I didn't know.
What was happening today?
I didn't know.
Well, it happened today.
What happened?
Well, Lexi and I decided to take the parts you've had sitting on your counter over there for what, 2 months, and
Forever.
actually install them.
All right.
So we did your Apollo Intech power distribution unit, and well, you got some of the rock lights on.
Some.
Yeah, unfortunately we gotta wait because the harnesses were a little bit too short to get to the rear. But we got 4 of them mounted up, and Lexi has it on the Bluetooth.
Oh, all right. Different colors. I like it.
Different colors, they pulse, you name it, it does it.
That's awesome. But I didn't have my Jeep all day.
You were working anyway.
Oh yeah.